drivers. This is for the weekend renters. This is for the love of the classics. This is For the Wide Pedal.
Hi, welcome to LEED Brakes. My name is Bill Cummings. Today we're going to take a look at our RC6001 rear disc brake kit for 1963 to 1991 Chevrolet trucks. From 1963 to 1970, it'll fit the 2- and 4-wheel drive 6-lug applications, and from 1971 to 1991, 4-wheel drive applications. The LEED Brakes rear disc brake kit is a bolt-on system with 3-position mounting to allow you to adjust the caliper position for any aftermarket suspension systems you may have. Calipers come with a built-in parking brake and 11.5-inch rotors to fit in your factory 15-inch and larger wheels. Let's get this box opened up and show you what's inside. With your LEED Brakes rear disc brake kit, you're going to get everything you need to install rear disc brakes on your C or K10 truck. In the kit, you're going to get your base brackets that are drilled for 3 different positions to go around any aftermarket suspensions. You have your caliper mounting brackets, all your nuts, bolts, and hardware, brake hoses, calipers with built-in parking brake and semi-metallic brake pads, as well as your 11.5-inch rotors, all designed to fit in 15-inch or larger wheels. Also in our kit, you get a complete set of installation instructions that guide you through the way. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our tech department via email or phone. For this and many more great products, visit us at leedbrakes.com or any of our social media apps.